Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by removing the taskbar feed that spawns pop-ups. Right-click the taskbar, choose News and Interests, then select Turn Off. This stops the live card and most pop-ups immediately. Once done, make sure Windows is updated because older builds may lack that toggle Use Settings Update and Security. If the icon doesn't vanish, open Task Manager, select Windows Explorer and restart it. This forces the interface to refresh and confirms the change. Next, you'll block the underlying notification channel, which often sends news alerts. Go to Settings System Notifications and Actions and turn off notifications or selectively disable Microsoft Edge and Microsoft News. Once configured, make sure to adjust Focus Assist to schedule quiet hours so recurring banners don't appear during meetings. You can also click app-specific entries to fine-tune banners, sounds, and priority. This keeps the feed silent. Finally, eliminate suggestions that surface news via search and Edge. Open Settings Search Permissions and History and disable Cloud Content and History Syncing so web suggestions stop appearing. Then open Edge and under Settings Privacy, Search and Services turn off search and site suggestions. If pop-ups persist, make sure to sign out and back in or create a fresh user profile. This resets cached settings. If nothing works, try resetting the affected app. That clears corrupted state, causing stubborn alerts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.